In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a note to a student's audit within DegreeWorks. This function can be extremely helpful because it will serve as a record of communication between you and your student or between any advisor and a student. So the first thing that you would do is click on the Notes tab at the top of the audit. And from here you can, view any notes that have already been created for the students and put on their record. In this case, the student does not have any notes. You can add a note and you can delete notes. You can only delete your own notes, so you will not be able to delete any notes applied by any other advisors or anyone else in staff. So to add a note, you'll click on Add Note, and from here you'll be able to select from a list of predefined notes that were created. I'm going to choose Student was advised to apply for graduation by the official deadline. It will pull that note into this box right here, and you will click Save Note. You also have the option to clear. So if you accidentally choose the wrong note, you can go back in and apply another one. So click Save Note. It tells you now that your note was added successfully, and now you can run a new audit. So you'll click Run New Audit. And if you scroll to the bottom, here you will see a section that states the note that you applied on the student, who it was entered by, and the date that it was entered. Now again, if you accidentally apply a note that you did not mean to do, you can most certainly delete the note. You'll click on Delete Note. And here you'll be able to click on this pencil and paper icon to delete your note. So you'll go ahead and click it, and it tells you that your note was deleted successfully. And now you can run a new audit on the student. So we'll click Run New Audit. And there you go, the note has been deleted. And again, you can only delete your own notes within DegreeWorks, so you will not be able to or be allowed to delete a note applied by anyone else. And that is how you apply a note to a DegreeWorks audit.